Today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 156 different strategies, with 55 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. We've also tested a total of 994 indicators, with 419 of them being winners. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing a 5-minute scalping strategy. And so the source video says scalping trading strategy, how to make money quickly. So obviously we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this scalping strategy and see if you can actually earn money and earn money quickly. And so we're going to go ahead and turn off these two indicators here. The first indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be the pivot point super trend indicator. It's going to be this one right here. And so you'll add that to the screen and it'll look pretty similar to your standard super trend indicator. But we are going to go in and make a few modifications to the inputs here. So under the ATR factor, you're going to change that to 1.9. And under the ATR period, you're going to change that to 21. And then hit OK, and it'll look like it does on screen. The next indicator you'll add to the screen is going to be the MACD split colors. This one right here. Add that to the screen, and again, it'll look similar to this right here. Again, we're going to go in and make a few modifications here, and so under the fast length, you're going to change that to 200. The slow length, you're going to change that to 300. Under the styles, you're going to go ahead and turn off the plot down here and this plot here. And under the plot 1 and plot 2, I guess you could call them, you're going to change those from histograms to columns. Click OK, and it should look the way it does now on my screen. And so what we're looking for is the super trend to be either red or green. When it's red, we're looking for sell signals or sell trades. When it's green, we're looking for buy trades. And when the super trend is red, we're then going to look for the MACD here to also switch to the red color. It's kind of hard to see, but you can see that this little bar right here on the MACD is actually red. Switch from green to red. Once that happens and those two line up, that's going to be our signal to then enter a short trade. So we're going to go ahead and set a trade there. We're going to put our stop at the super trend line there, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get out of it. Alright, so you see, we pretty much stair step straight down here, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, again, we're looking for the super trend to be in the green color like this right here. And then we're looking for the MACD to give us a green bar like it does right here. Once those two line up, we're then going to enter a long trade right here. Again, put our stop at the super trend line right there. And we're going to target the 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes just a little bit longer, but again, we eventually stair step our way up there and get to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades, putting it at a 34% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 on the winning trades, your total would have been $10,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,200 for a total loss of $3,000 altogether. So definitely not the most profitable scalping strategy. Definitely not a way to make money quickly. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator, which I've mentioned a few times before already in this video. We did 46 trades during that same period of time. We had 40 winning trades and 6 losing trades. That's going to put that at an 86% win rate. So if you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total there would have been $24,000 altogether. On the losing side, you would have lost $5,400 for a total gain of $18,600. So far more profitable trading strategy by far. Even cut that down, say by half or even fourths, still significantly better and a decent profit. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you have to maintain your Patreon status as well. And so super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading strategy. Let's go ahead and go over the trades for the week, or the signals. And so these are the signals from these 4 Forex pairs using the Academy of Forex indicator and this one crypto coin. And so this is on the 30-minute time frame. And on the Forex pairs this week, we had 14 trades altogether, 12 winning trades, 2 losing trades, puts us at an 85% win rate, a gain of 4,440. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, 100% win rate, a gain of 1,200. In total, would have been a gain of $5,640. Add that to our 6-week total, or I guess our 5-week total. At 6 weeks now, our total gain would have been $19,720 altogether. So again, significant profits. When I say in a matter of weeks, you can make tens of thousands of dollars. It's completely reasonable with just a few Forex pairs and a couple handfuls of trades each week. So that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we're going to move on to the next video from here.